ADPC Customs here with a new video. It has been a minute, but I just could not bring myself to sit down and shoot a video. I just could not figure it out for the life of me what I was going to do and how I was going to do it. So we're back again. We're going to be looking at the NVIDIA app. It has received an update, and apparently it's coming out of beta. Now, I've heard rumors or stories or conversations about what the new, some of the new functionality is going to be, like being able to roll back your graphics driver. Now, let's go over to the app here and look through. I can't see anything that talks about rolling back the app. And I'm still having a couple of issues. Here, there's the reinstall. That doesn't explicitly say that it's a rollback. Pause and have a look at what's new and what's been fixed recently. If those affect you. I'm still having the same problem with it duplicating certain games. And still having the problem with it not being able to get settings for certain games. And it's still not picking up all of my Batman games. I have the Arkham trilogy, Asylum, City, and Night. And for some reason it's showing I've got 2 copies of Mortal Kombat 11 and 3 copies of Cities Skylines 2. I don't. I have one of each. Global settings are still the same. There's nothing in here that says to me new functionality and rollback and so on and so forth. These are all still here, which I have gone through in previous videos. Certain things I can't do because I don't have a supported card. 3D content creation, I've not gone into that. I'm willing to attempt to look at it if there's anyone wants me to go through it. But we're going to whip over to NVIDIA's website and we're gonna install the app all over again to see if that makes a difference. Confession time, I did start shooting this video a few minutes ago and realized that I'd gone all the way through it and hadn't actually switched the screen capture to going through the app and showing my screen. It was just me talking. But here we go. Let's do an install. So while this runs through this, how are you doing, everybody? I did notice after my last video I have picked up a couple more subscribers, literally a couple. A few more of you subscribing would be great. That would give me the opportunity to explore new frontiers in the videos. If I can turn on monetization, that will enable me to earn some money doing this and also enable me to get some new hardware, get some upgrades, maybe buy a few things to review. Right, so back to the installation. This is version 10.0.3.152, and I do believe that's the version I've got installed. It is. So unless I've got a problem with my installation or these things do not show up while you don't have an RTX graphics card, I don't know. But we'll do an install and see if it offers to repair a damaged installation. And we'll go from there. Okay, we're going to pause the recording here while it does this. Okay, never mind. Here we are, loading the setup. Okay, so what's new in the app? According to the release highlights, which never came up for me after the update, new driver rollback, NVIDIA now offers the ability to roll back to the previously installed driver. This option is available following the next driver installation. I installed a driver just before I updated the app, so maybe that's the reason why. RTX HDR support for multi-monitor setups. With the October 1st, 2024 or later GeForce Game Ready driver installed, RTX HDR is now available for PCs with multi-monitor setups. New control panel features. NVIDIA app now offers the ability to enable G-Sync under system displays. User requests. Users are now able to select or customize the font color in the statistics overlay located under configure heads-up display. Oh, that's nice. NVIDIA app overlay now notifies users if protected content restricts shadow play recording. Graphics tab now offers the ability to remove manually added programs as well as retain, sort, and filter user preferences for programs. Optimal settings support added for 9 new games, including Black Myth Wukong, Chained Together, Dungeonborn, F1 Manager 2024, and Frostpunk 2. Squashed. Oh, and God of War, Ragnarok, Once Human, Star Wars Outlaws, and Stormgate. Squashed bugs, apparently. They fixed an issue with the photo mode ready filter was not showing all supported games. Feedback form was empty. Game filters stopped working on games such as Apex Legends, Genshin Impact, Doom 3, Bioshock Infinite, Dead by Daylight, Rainbow Six Siege, The Elder Scrolls Online, Portal, Grand Theft Auto 5, and Team Fortress 2, and various stability fixes. So, there we are. Nothing else has really changed. It does seem a little bit more polished. Still showing multiple copies of City Skylines, and I'd love to know why. I don't want to hide it. I want to get rid of it because I've only got the one copy, but hey ho. We'll do a quick search for new Game Ready drivers. Nope, there are none, so I can't demonstrate the rollback feature. But it is nice to know that there is the option to roll back all of your your Game Ready drivers, so that if you do notice a problem, you can roll back and see if that fixes it. I wonder if the more versions of the driver you've installed there are, I wonder if you've got the more options to roll back further. If you can roll back 2 or 3 drivers, if you have had this for long enough. But there we go. It hasn't really changed much. This will be a really short and pointless video added to the playlist, I suppose. But apparently it is coming out of beta. If it hasn't already, I didn't notice on the website no, it's still in beta. But apparently it is going to be coming out of beta soon. And I would love to be able to test these out properly. The RTX Dynamic Vibrance, I've been able to apparently apply it, but I don't notice any difference in the games. GeForce Now, I'm not bothered about that. It's a cloud gaming platform. I'm not bothering with that. Now, NVIDIA Broadcast. Now, this, I believe, is their idea of basically their version of OBS, but using your NVIDIA graphics card directly, and directly in their app you can get this, and you can use AI effects and so on and so forth in it, which would be wonderful, but I can't use it. I can use OBS with any graphics card or no graphics card as long as I've got internal graphics, but for this I need to have an RTX graphics card. I'm sorry, NVIDIA, that's just not fair. I mean, let's have a look, see. That's not what I'm looking for. Where is it? Oh, it's on the home screen. Sorry. Here we are, NVIDIA Broadcast, unsupported system. So let's see why. I know to use AI, you need certain functionality. For some reason, I need to have a 2060 or a Quadro or a Titan RTX or better to be able to run this. It's streaming / capture software. Why? It makes no difference. Not now, NVIDIA. I should be able to, I mean, I've got the option to just install it here. Will it stop me? No, it won't. Will it stop me doing the installation? Let's have a look-see, shall we? So we'll go back to this while that downloads. The NVIDIA Broadcast app transforms any room into a home studio, taking your live streams, voice chats, and video calls to the next level with powerful AI effects like noise and room echo removal, virtual background, and more. OBS and VCam, which, as you probably have realized, I use VCam and I use OBS, and it works perfectly fine. What else have we got? NVIDIA Canvas, which I can't do. The app that puts the AI in painting. Use AI to turn simple brushstrokes into realistic landscape images. Create backgrounds quickly, or speed up your concept exploration so you can spend more time visualizing ideas. Really? Okay. Omniverse. Connect your creative worlds to a universe of possibility. NVIDIA Omniverse is a 3D design words difficult. 3D design collaboration platform within the NVIDIA Studio suite of tools for creators. Built to accelerate workflows and unite apps and assets to bring your ideas to life fast. Okay. I think someone else needs to take a look at that because I'm never gonna look at that. I'm never gonna be able to use that. And I'm not a big fan of everything being AI these days. Right. Let's have a look, see if Broadcast will install. Cannot continue. Blocks me straight away. Sorry, but that stinks, NVIDIA. That really stinks. Anyway, guys, short and sweet, I suppose. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I did pick up a couple of subscribers after the last video. I appreciate it. A few more would be nice. And share these videos around to people who might find them useful. And I will hopefully be back soon with another video. I'm thinking I'm going to follow up on my last video, which was about the new iPhone and iOS 18. Probably going to end up in another rant. Ideal to send off to your fanboy friends, your Apple fanboy friends, and not at risk of sounding like I am just going to bash on Apple. I do own an iPhone. It's an iPhone XR or 10R. So it's not the newest one, but it's not all that. It's not a case of, oh, once you go iPhone, you never go back. I don't understand anyone who says that. And I also do own an iPad Air. It's the M2 iPad Air from this year. And I do have a pencil for it. One moment. But it's not an Apple Pencil. It is a knockoff. It works perfectly fine for my uses, and I haven't had to pay £100 and something for it. So there we go. But again, like, subscribe, comment down below. Please subscribe. Even if you never watch another one of my videos again, please do subscribe, because seeing those numbers go up does give me a happy in my frontal cortex, and I do want more subscribers, so I'm going to have the option then of doing more videos. The more subscribers I get, the better chance there is of me expanding the channel and being able to do more videos, being able to expand the channel a little bit more. So, as I always say, thank you very much for watching. Like, follow, subscribe. That's plenty of times now. You should have seen that that little like button and that subscribe button should have nicely glowed up on your webpage if you're watching this on a PC. And I will see you in the next one.